our model up to this level, it is ready for analysis. So once you design or you draw sketch your model up to this level, you have assigned your loads for the beams and for the walls. So you simply come to this tab here, analysis, building analysis. So pre-analysis, you can come to parameters. Parameters is okay, you don't need to change anything there. So you can come to load combination, load generator, just click OK. Click OK, and then come no wind load. This is not it's not, the height is not past the 6 meters and above, so no need of using wind. Come to materials, choose the concrete grade. So you can use 25. This is okay, isn't it? Concrete
Yes.
class. Steel beam. This one will be okay. So this is where we have bits. So for the column, we only need 16 by 16 and by 20. Then click OK. For these are longitudinal. We don't have concrete walls. That shear walls we don't have, but you have the beams. So for the beams, we can select and deselect. We will either use 16 or 2016 or 20. Click OK. And then for the slab, we use 12. Click, select, deselect. We entirely use 12 on the slab.
Or 10. 10 will work, I think.
Or 10 can also work. Okay. And then for the links, we can use 8 or 10. So we can either use 8. What else? I think that's okay. We can come to analysis, model analysis. Here we don't have to change anything. Post analysis, export, report. Model options. We only need to do a very few settings, and this is what makes ProtaStructure so easy and user-friendly. Though there is that place where we are supposed to write names, I can't hear title. So you have foundation, you check on the allowable stress actually. We don't have lateral wall loads, we don't have drift, but we can add a title. So you can say this is a DHAG JAR2 name by, so you can say this is you can just say it is ANG JJJHH. Check by, you also say the who checked the design date, today's 30th 11, and you are done. So you go back to analysis and then check if your building is okay before you start doing analysis. So there is no error, everything is okay, close. Then come here, want to do the analysis for beams and column. And if there is any failure, you can select a different bar, then start analyzing, start. So you wait. So it's done. The building analysis completed successfully. Okay. So you can close this window, and then now you can come to building interrogation here, not layers. Then we can come to, yes, visual interrogation window. So once this window opens up, you come down to design status. Under design status, now you can see if your model withstood the weight. I can see my entire model is green, so meaning that it's green apart from these beams here. You see?
Yes, yes.
So we can simply go back to, let's just go and change those beams. So we can come back to story, that's story one. So if this story one, we can come to properties. So I want to increase the depth. Should I increase the depth, or I should check the reinforcements?
Let's check the reinforcement, engineer. I think that might be because it's already quite deep.
Yeah. So we simply come to beam section design. So let's check. So here we have to, so we can, let's use for this case, let's use 20. I'll just simply increase it just to ensure that my building stands. Yes, that one has worked. And then we can come to section beam section design. Also, you check on them. 20, this is 2. Let's just try that and see.
I think it has it worked?
I think this one, if we change to bar 20, will solve that issue for this bar. I think we should just redo the analysis again, building analysis, so that we can. So still have the issues on these beams. So let me,
The columns are okay. They have passed all of them.
yes, the columns are okay. Maybe we, but that will be over. I feel that if I simply change this dimension, but I'm just being over reinforcement. I can just see, but I just want to avoid the
Or maybe you increase the size in this case, because there are too many reinforcements. Is it allowed to bundle two reinforcements together?
okay, no. I like that you just separate them because
Okay.
you need also concrete space for concrete. Instead,
Yes.
I can simply increase the depth just to 500.
Okay.
Then update. Okay, has it worked? So this part of the interactive design, I think now this one is okay because the beam has shown green.
Yes.
So let's just close this window. We go to our zero ground here so that you can design our pads. So to design your pads, you just click on this column, or you can look at the most critical column, the one that will be carrying more weight, like the center columns. Right click here and then insert base so that you are conditioned by. Should we redo the analysis? This error.
What's
So
there? Not up to date. Okay, you can
so
continue.
let's redo the analysis.
Okay.
So just go to analysis, just maintain all the previous settings, and then you click there. So you can see when the columns are green, so you just right click on this. Yes, so under insert base, you can decide the foot depth. Could be 400, maybe you can just put to 450 or 500. 500 is not bad. Allowable soil. So these are the information that you should get them from maybe soil tests.
Okay.
And then let's just try the default with what you have been given. Then just do calculate to see if that could stand the weight. And then do you prefer rectangular or just
Square. Square.
square footing? So you can have that. So everything is okay, and then click OK. So we have our pad footing here. So I will assume that this is the most critical column. So this one can work among all other columns, yes.